Speaking English is all about continuous practicing with mouth. I am again saying, speaking English is all about continuous practicing with mouth. This is right that when you make sentences with mouth, that time you make mistakes. You have to remember one thing: without making mistakes, you never gain fluency. So, if you start speaking, you will make mistake. Mistakes are part of learning any kinds of things. What kinds of things you learn in your life? You make mistakes. You can notice when a kid or a child start walking, he fall so many times, and doing these activities, one day he or she can walk properly. So if you want to speak in English, you have to practice continuously. So I would highly recommend you, please, if you want to speak in English and if you want to make better sound in English, you have to start speaking. Means, because knowing information about English and can speak in English, there are so much difference between these two things. So start speaking from day one if you want to speak in English, if you want to make better sound in English, and try to take notes what kinds of thing you learn in your journey. It will help you so much after a few days or after a few weeks to revise those all kinds of things, what kinds of things you learn about English. So I would highly recommend you for doing two things. One is, if you want to speak in English, start speaking from day one and take notes those all kinds of things, what kinds of things you learn in your journey. These two things will help you so much to improve in English and to make sound in English. So I would highly recommend you do these two things. One is start speaking in English and take notes those all kinds of things, what kinds of things you learn in your English learning journey.